afternoon, everyone. I'm Vincent Sargent Busan. So, this afternoon, we just tackled about the parts of speech mechanism. Earlier, Mr. Maya and Aliata discussed the sound production. And now, let's talk about the parts of the speech and mechanism. The objectives. At the end of the discussion, the students are able to define speech mechanism, elaborate the concept of speech mechanism, give the differences of the speech mechanism. So, first, what is speech mechanism? The speech mechanism explains how the sounds are produced in the speech organs. Speech mechanism is the conventional term for the system of psycho and physiological prerequisites that enable a human being to make meaningful utterance and to understand another speech. So the purpose of speech mechanism to explain or to deliver our thoughts and ideas towards another. So una ang rules of speech mechanism kanina i-discuss sa sound production nga sa 93 types of sound production. Doon karon i-tackle na ko ang 17 part of speech mechanism. First, diaphragm, lungs, trachea, larynx, pharynx, epiglottis, glottis or vocal cords, ovula, vellum, also known as soft palate, hard palate, tongue, mouth, audiorange, teeth, jaw, lips, and nose. Then the first is the diaphragm, the large sheet of muscles separating the chest cavity from the abdomen. Form the floor of the chest and the roof of the abdomen and gives pressure to the breath stream. So, ang diaphragm, dili una mag-release of kanang air. Ang kanang diaphragm, gina-consider siya as a reservoir of an air. So, next is the lungs. Ang lungs o ang diaphragm na ay pagkaparihas. Sa lungs, siya ang i-consider sa reserve of the air. And also, kinikot na paagi nga kanang mahimong comfortably how to speak or how to deliver our thoughts. Then from lungs down to trachea, the passage of for the flow of air from the mouth to the oral and nasal passage of for the production of speech sound, also known as the windpipe. Kanang maragmos na debate mo na siya ang kanang trachea. Siya kanang normally siya ang kanang maghimong guide na mo-produce of sounds. Siya ang mo guide. Mo guide ko kanang pag-deliver sa sounds. Next is the larynx. The larynx can be described as the fairly rigid box made up of cartilage or a layer of muscles situated at the top of the trachea. So, the larynx is hanapin siya yung other term. Ang larynx, inatawag po siya voice box. Kanang diha mabuo ang kanang tingog-tingog before siya ma-deliver or before siya ma-produce ng mahimong sounds. So, sa tao mag-communicate o sa tao. Then, from larynx down to pharynx, the common passageway for air and food located behind the nose and mouth and includes the cavity at the back of the tongue. There are three divisions of pharynx: the nasal pharynx, the oral pharynx, and the laryngeal pharynx. Next is epiglottis. Correct me if I'm wrong. Epiglottis. This is the left-shaped cartilaginous plug prevents the food to enter the airway passage of the respiratory system while swallowing. So, dili mo siya ang articulate sa sounds, sa sounds production. Siya ang mahimong siya ang mo-deliver sa mga consonant word like up. Or, mga word na gina-deliver, dili mo pa sa epiglottis. Then, from the epiglottis down to the vocal cords, or also known as the glottis, this is the back form in the middle of the vocal cord because of its different varying position. When the vocal cord is completely black, the glottis sounds Q is produced. The glottis is used to control the vibration made by the vocal cords in order to make different sounds. Kana galing maka kanang once nga mag-deliver tag mga kanang atong gusto isulti din na barrier sa marag matukan ta. Mo na produce nila mo ting mo kanay ang mo black na letter Q mo saan siya pag-produce. So next is the ovula. The small knob of the lower border of the soft palate. The ovula is used to make guttural sounds, movable tip at the midline of the free border of the soft palate. So, ang ovula, it is the sounds of the human voice form the sound of speech. Siya ang maghimo og sound sa usa ka speech or sa ka the way na mag-deliver sa atong speech mo function si ovula. Then the next is the bilium or the soft palate. The soft palate is the mobile fleshly continuation of the roof of the mouth, culmination in the ovula. A flexible curtain attached along the rear border of the hard palate separate the nasal pharynx from the oral cavity. Then sa bilium, siya ang siya pinakadako nga rule, important rule or function sa speech mechanism. Tungod kay siya ang mahimo isa ka siya ang mahimong 14 sa usa ka mga sa 14 sa how to deliver our speech. So, next, the hard palate or the dome. The hard palate is the hard bony structures which forms in the front part of the roof at the mouth from behind the alveolar ridge up to the area known as the soft palate or bilium. Like the alveolar ridge, the tongue touches the tops of the palate when articulating speech. So, kani siya ang nag-provide sa speed, sa space, sa atong tongue, ma-freely or mahimong ma-smooth ang atong pag-supply sa words or sa pagbuhi nato sa mga words, pinaagi na sa hard palate. Siya mahimong floor sa nasal cavity. Then, the next is the tongue. The tongue plays a very dominant role in the production of speech sounds. Flexible organs consisting of muscles, glands, and connective tissues. Then there are three front of the tongue divided into three followings. Una, blade of the tongue. It is the part which normally lies opposite the teeth ridge. Second, tip of the tongue. The front edge of the tongue. Then the third one is the edge of the tongue. It's also known as a ride or yes. The next is mouth. Mouth is divided into the vestibule and the oral cavity proper. Vestibule filled the placing the tongue tip outside the teeth but inside the lips. The oral cavity filled the retracting the tongue, closing the jaw, and moving the tongue out. So, kaning sa tongue, siya ang sa mouth, ang sa mouth, siya na ang sa mouth, so through our sa pag-deliver sa speech, na siyang dominant nga gamit kaayo on how to sa pamaagi nga mag-produce tag sounds. Next is the alveolar ridge. To make different sounds known as the alveolar sounds, the tongue touches the ridges found on this organ. Then, kanin siya nga part, siya ang mag-provide sa certain sounds nga ma-produce sa usa ka tao. Then next is the teeth. Embedded in the alveolar ranges or gum ridges of the oral cavity, serve as important surface and articulation. Kaning sa teeth, makatabang po siya sa pag-form or pagbuo sa usa ka words, sa pag-control sa usa ka words, or pag-control nato sa usa ka sounds sa pag-deliver nato ni anak. Next is kaning jaw. The jaw is an important speech organ because of its ability to alter the shape of the mouth by its upward and downward movement. The alteration has a striking effects on the sounds produced. Vowels described as closed, half open, and open, which are actually distinguished by the position of the lower jaw. Sa kaning sa jaw, kanang maka-affect ni siya sa kanang sa vowel height, or sa pag-play sa role sa kanang sa manner of consonants. So, consonants or the consonantal articulation. Next is the lips. It is the highly flexible, can be moved into numerous positions essential to articulation. Sounds can be formed by using the teeth to shape the lips in combination with the tongue or the black air from escaping the mouth. Kaning sa lips, siya ko daw nag-play sa kanang changing sa pagkuan, kanang changing or having a differences of delivering our speech. Same lang, balik-balik lang iya, pero kanang sa makabantay na siguro ta the more ta magsulti ang atong lips na promotion side bisag nagtakom na, pero ang atong upper lips nagpabiling akong sa taas ng galingan ng mga situation. So next is ang last na to, ang nose consists of the external and internal portion. Nostril are the opening of the external nose. Nasal cavity, external nose is directly behind the external nose through which the air passes on its way to the pharynx. Septum divided the external and internal nose into two sacred passageways. In this case, ang kaning ilong mahimong siya ang mahimong air stream sa kanang speech mechanism or sa production of sounds. Siya ang kanang pinaagi sa kanang ilong, di ba, sa mo na hangin gyud nga magawas the more ta nga magyaw-yaw, the more ta na i-deliver ng mga ideas. Pinaagi po sa nose na to sa makatabang siya ang sa ka-domain kanang part sa speech mechanism. That's all. I hope na learn. Thank you.